Hey guys, this is Thomas at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm showing you a 2020 Bennington 24 SX. Guys, this is a fresh trade-in, only 49 hours. That's right, only 49 hours, just serviced, just washed, and ready to roll. You see it's metallic silver. This is a 24 SLX pontoon. Full-size 25-inch diameter pontoons. Guys, this is powered with the Yamaha 115 outboard. Ski tow bar, of course, as you can see. Again, guys, this boat has 49 hours ready to roll, just serviced. Single bifold ladder. Walking aboard, guys, you'll see that this has the L-shaped chase lounge as your seating option on board. Plenty of storage back here in the back when you lift up this sun pad. Battery with single switch. There's water separator filter. Guys, this boat's got the full Simtex material on all the upholstery. Captain's chair that reclines, self-leveling armrest. Guys, looking at the helm, you'll see this boat is equipped with a kicker stereo with 4 speakers on board. Trim indicator, RPM gauge, tack, and fuel gauge. Guys, again, this is a 24 SLX, 49 hours. This boat was used on Lake Hartwell and Lake Hartwell only, freshwater boat. Available now at MarineMax in Greenville. Please reach out if you've got any questions. Of course, it comes with the standard 10-foot bimini top. Great boat, full mooring cover. Comes with 4 life jackets, 4 docking lines, 2 fenders, full tank of fuel, throw cushion, anchor with chain and anchor road, plus delivery to a local lake. Please reach out for more questions. Thanks. Bye.